Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see examples on evaluating logarithms. Let's say we want to evaluate a logarithm of this type. We want to find the value of x this time. Log x to the base 9 is equal to negative 5 over 2. Okay, so to solve this, we want to solve, let me write that here. We want to solve for x. So as step number 1, we want to express this logarithm in exponential form, and the way to do that is as follows. We're going to write this as x is equal to 9 raised to the power of 5 over 2. 9 raised to the power of 5 over 2. Let me write this a little bit more clearer. 5 over 2. That's better. So now we want to come back and then simplify this some more. We'll write this as step number 2. And in here, we know that 9 can be expressed as an exponent as follows. 9 we can write as 3 to the power of 2. 3 times 3, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. And I can write that as 3 to the power of 2 as follows. X is equal to 3 to the power of 2, this whole thing raised to the power of 5 over 2. 5 over 2. And therefore, now we know one of the rules of exponents which says that if I have an exponent and if this exponent is raised to another exponent, we can write the base ones and then multiply the powers. We're going to use that in this example here. So therefore x is going to be equal to 3 to the power of 2 times negative 5 over 2. Negative 5 over 2, like that. Let me write this 2 a little bit more clearer. As you can see, we have 2's in the numerator, 2's in the denominator, which cancels out, leaving us with x is equal to 3 to the power of negative 5, like that. 3 to the power of negative 5, like that. So therefore, we can also write this. Let me write this as step number 3. In the step number 3, we almost got the answer. We need to simplify it a little bit more. We can express this negative exponent as a positive exponent by bringing it to the denominator. We can express it as 3 to the power of 5. So 3 to the power of 5 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, and then we have the 3. 9 times 9 is 81 times 3. 81 times 3 is 3 times 1 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So 3 to the power of 5 is 243. So I can write this one out as x is equal to 1 over 243. And this is our answer. This is where we want to leave it. So sometimes in logarithms we want to go find the value of the base or the value of x, and this is the way we want to use the logical steps in finding out the answer. Thank you for being with me so far in this presentation. In our next set of playlist presentations, we will look at logarithm properties of logarithms.